Did you hear that zip? That's the coveted zippy sound you always want to hear when you're scoring glass. However, not all glasses are going to make that sound. So when you're first starting out in stained glass, you want to get some just junky picture frame glass. Get it at the thrift store, yard sale, rob it out of your parents' basement, whatever. This is from a yard sale, it's all chipped and beat up. That's fine. You're just playing around, you're just practicing. So what you want to do is make sure your cutter is oiled. You can just use mineral oil. It's super cheap. It's cheaper than cutter oil and it works just as well. You want to start on one edge of your glass and you're going to go all the way to the other edge. You can never just go and like stop partway in the middle. You're not cutting paper or fabric, so you have to go from one edge to the other. If you did a curve, whatever it was, you always start on edge and end on some edge. So here we go. You want to use pressure like you're cutting cold, not frozen, just cold butter with a knife. And you want to make sure that your cutter wheel keeps constant contact with your piece of glass. Don't pick it up. If for any reason you have to stop, just stay right there until you, whatever your problem is, stops, and then keep going. Don't pick it up. So here we go. One edge to the other. Ready? Keep practicing till you get that zip consistently, and at that point you'll have a good feel for how much pressure you have to put on, so that when you move on to your good glass, if it doesn't make the zippy sound, you're okay. You're still going to cut well. Subscribe for more. Peace, love, and stained glass.